welcome back. I'm waiting for someone to bring my tools down, so I'm just going to snap a quick little video right here at the top again. Haven't been to the tippy top, but I'm right here. Oh my gosh, that was sketch. Just installing these brackets, struts. So gonna put all the pipe on top of here and strap them down. Sketch. So as you can see, these all line up like perfectly. They're all like lasered or whatnot. So got all those installed and getting ready to go down. I'm assuming I showed you guys this yesterday, but I just like being on the ground, you know? There's nothing wrong with being on the ground. Don't need to be in the sky, don't need to be in the air. I just like being on the ground. Easy. Yeah, so here we are. So just waiting. Good times. Alright guys, so another super late day, 10:40 at night. So I just got home, been busy again, so that's why another late video. Next week I'm going to be working like 4 10-hour shifts, so I won't be working Friday next week. And the videos will be also late because I won't be home until like 6 or 7 o'clock. So anyways guys, thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Super short today, but I also wanted to say I didn't get any footage at the end of the day because everyone was leaving and they had to lock the gate and stuff. So otherwise I would have stayed behind and got some footage. But basically what was happening is we started running the pipe up the side of the building, or we were, not the building, but we were attempting to start running the pipe up the side of the water tower, as you saw in yesterday's video. But there was a ton of underground digging that we had to do. So I'll try to throw up a little picture here in a second. But there's the water tower, and then there's a little house, not a house, but there's a little like shed thingy. So we have to take pipe out of there and then go underground over to the water tower. So it's basically we have to put this little, not little, but we have to make a U-shaped pipe run coming out of the building underground and then back up the side of the water towers. So not much to show on that, but I will try to get that footage for you on Monday. I'm not working tomorrow, but I will be making a video talking about something. So make sure to look for that. I'm going to try to answer some videos that you guys have been asking for if I know what you guys... I'm going to try to make a video if I know the answer to your questions. So anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Super short, but I just want to show you guys a little bit what I was working on today. I didn't get the rest of it, so I apologize about that, but thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. I'd appreciate that, and a comment as well, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Getting up closer to 710 subscribers. You guys are awesome. Thanks for all the comments. Thank you for the feedback and all the questions. See you guys later tomorrow. Goodbye.